Hi, welcome back to my channel. I don't know where August went, but this is the Simply Earth September box, so let's check it out. Simply Earth is an essential oil company. They have essential oils to purchase on their website, but they also have this subscription box that you get delivered once a month to your door. It has 4 essential oils, recipes and recipe cards, things you'll need to make, or bottles, containers to make your recipes. And this month, what is the theme? September's theme is everyday essentials. I see perfumers alcohol, so we're making perfume. That's so exciting. I love making essential oil perfume, but I actually haven't used perfumers alcohol to make it, so I'm very excited about this. Anyways, they're very transparent as a brand. They share where they get their oils from, their plants, they distill, they share their GCMS reports right on their website. They check all the boxes for us, and that's why we recommend them. But I share their box every month because it is so exciting, especially if you like making your own products, but also if you are into essential oils and you love them and you want to make your own products, but you have them just sitting somewhere because you don't know what to do with them or the percentages or how to mix them. So this just takes all the guesswork out of it. So I get a lot of duplicates because I don't swap any of these out. If you are a subscriber, you have the option to do so. If you don't like an oil or you already have it, you can switch out, but I don't, just so I can show you the standard issue box. But I do get a lot of duplicates doing that. So what I do, like I already have dark patchouli up on my shelf, so I'm going to add this to my giveaway pile. Make sure you're a subscriber to my email list. I'll put the link to do that down below because I give away 1 oil or more depending on the week. I give 1 away, so you can enter to win essential oils. And I already have rosemary and I think basil and maybe focus. So I'm gonna go swap these out. I'll first quickly share the oils and the recipes, and then we'll make a couple of the recipes too. So dark patchouli, either love or hate patchouli. It's like a dirty floral hippie oil. I love it, and I use it in a lot of my blends. I just made my fall perfume, and it's patchouli and a bunch of, oh my goodness, I haven't just taken a big old whiff of it in a while. It smells so good. It is a dark floral, it smells amazing, and it's really great in perfume. Focus is a blend. This is frankincense, cardamom, eucalyptus, and sweet orange. This one smells very good. This is very grounding and a little bit sweet. Orange is really also good. Orange is also really good for feelings of sadness. So I feel like with the frankincense and orange and eucalyptus in this, it's kind of an uplifting, boost your mood type of oil. Basil is next. I honestly don't ever think, I cannot speak today. I don't think I've ever used basil essential oil unless it was in a recipe a while ago, because I did already have it, but it's full. It doesn't even look open, and I don't think I've ever used it. It smells good. It smells just like the plant. I don't know how we're going to use it in the recipes, but nonetheless, we have it. And rosemary. And everyone probably knows what rosemary smells like. It's like lavender's sister. It's so uplifting and zingy. It smells so good. Rosemary is great for hair care. So what are we going to use rosemary for? Let's check it out. Oh, the value, because we love to know how big of a value, or how much of a value we're getting. I can't talk today. $237. And it's, did I already say this? It's $45 per month. If you use my code though, which I'll put here, it's somewhere on the screen, you get $45 gift card back to use, which is awesome. So you get stickers to label everything. You get, so we're getting a hero badge today, and it's the everyday essentials badge. Oh, what? They make theirs in really cute. Guys, they're coming out with a perfume kit, and I'm very excited. Like I said already, I love making my own perfume. I don't use synthetic perfume anymore, and oh, this is a sneak peek of it. So I get to share or show you guys. Mine is coming right now, so I'll share it as soon as I get it. But this is the perfume kit, and I hope you can read this or see this. They're beautiful bottles, and then we're making, well, it looks like a lava, a sun-kissed, and a vanilla woods. And it comes with everything you need. And we get perfumers alcohol today and zinc oxide. So let's see what we're making. Wild herbs diffuser blend. We're gonna make that. That sounds so good. Focus roll-on. We'll make that too. Amber musk perfume. So we're using focus and patchouli to make perfume. We'll make that too. Body butter seems a little harder to make. You gotta melt coconut oil and the beeswax together. It's super easy, but I just don't have my burner up here. Maybe I'll get it out. I don't know. I usually don't make the recipes, and I'm trying to zoom through this part so I can get to the recipes, but I don't want this also to be a half-hour video. So Maybe we'll make the body butter, maybe not, but I did just make a body butter and shared the recipe. It's super easy. You melt the stuff together, whip it, let it cool, add your essential oils, mix it together, and it's amazing. This is actually mine that I just made. And you put it in a glass jar to store, and make sure you use it. What is the shelf life? Does it say on here? 1 month, yeah. So make sure you use it quick because we're not using preservatives. Gotta use the product. Greenhouse room spray. It doesn't give you a spray bottle though, it doesn't say. And then Pioneer deodorant, which also you gotta melt some stuff together. So you got a tube, deodorant tube. I prefer the paper ones, non-plastic ones, but you do get a plastic tube to make your deodorant. So let's make everything besides the body butter and deodorant. We're gonna make 3 of the recipes. I just randomly found, thank goodness, a little 10 ml spray bottle. You can also get a set of bottles like this and then buy separately. There are sprayer tops that fit onto these. I just don't have any on hand. But there's fancy ones. Simply Earth has some on their website, and then also Amazon has tons of products like this. I need to restock because I don't have any 1 ounce ones, and that's what you need for the room spray. So I'm not gonna make the room spray. We're making the Amber Musk perfume. So you need 2 teaspoons of the perfumer's alcohol. So it says add the essential oils to the bottle and swirl to mix. So we're doing 7 drops of Focus, 3 drops of patchouli. So we're gonna add those first. So 7 drops of Focus and then 3 drops of patchouli. Patchouli is a very viscous, thick essential oil, so it's harder to get out, but Simply Earth, I'm gonna do more patchouli because I love patchouli. Simply Earth puts these toppers on, which there's probably a name for it. It makes it super easy to get out of the bottle. Anyways, we're gonna swirl to mix that. And then we're going to add the perfumer's alcohol, pausing to swirl the bottle occasionally. I only have my teeny tiny measuring spoon, so we're gonna do a tiny bit at a time, but I also have a tiny funnel. When you make a lot of DIYs like this, you'll always have a tiny funnel on hand. This is a 1/4, so we're gonna do, where's the alcohol? So if you're wondering what perfumer's alcohol is, it is 190 proof ethyl alcohol, SDA 40B. Not sure what the end of that means, but that is what makes this different from like rubbing alcohol. You see this. Stanley has so many purposes other than being a water bottle. We're gonna do 4 of these, and I'll probably do the first. This isn't working. This isn't the right arm. 2. So there's the first. Swirl this around and mix it up, and then add 1 more teaspoon. So that filled it close to the top here. Then next, you can go back. Thank you for your service. We're gonna mix this together. Many perfumers let their perfumes age in dark, cool locations for 3 weeks before using, and that's why most of the time I just use a carrier oil, but this is going to make a better perfume, a better quality one, and it's going to be stronger. So allow the scent to mature and develop. However you want to use it right away, go for it. And that's it. So you can put this in your cellar. That's what it made it sound like, a dark, cool spot, or you can just use it right away. I'm going to test it out just to get a scent or the aroma. How cute is this bottle too? I got this one from Simply Earth. I guess I don't need that. So I'm gonna give it another mix up. Swirl is more proper. I just shake things up. But this says the dilution rate is approximately 5%. I do 5 to 10% for perfume because it's not used every single day and you're not using it for a long, it's a rarely used thing for me at least. So that's what I do. The shelf life is 1 year, and we also should have a little sticker label for the perfume. So Amber Musk perfume. So you can put the perfume label on, you can write the date on it. So you made it, and then it's good from a year from that date. So there is it with the label on, and let's see what it smells like. Ooh, that smells really good. I feel like it's going to smell even better after it ages. And it smells like patchouli, but also like grounding, and the eucalyptus smells really good in it. I like that. Amber Musk. Next, we're making a roll-on. So these come, I think I forgot to mention this all together, but in your first monthly subscription box, it comes in a bigger box called the Big Bonus Box, and it will come with things like rollers, empty bottles, carrier oils, beeswax, so other things that you'll need to make recipes. But anyways, this came in my Big Bonus Box, and we're gonna label it first. This is a Focus roll-on. We can all use this right about now, I'm sure. I can also put this in my girl's backpack, put it on before school, and it would be great for back to school. So this one recipe is here. Rollers are really easy to make and they're super effective. 6 drops of Focus, and then you're going to fill it to the top with fractionated coconut oil. If you have almond oil on hand, any carrier oil will work. So we're going to do 6 drops of the Focus right here. The labels are cute too. I like how they label them. 6, and it has all the information on the label too. So directions, ingredients, and then cautions. So possible skin sensitivity, because it has eucalyptus in that blend. It's not a ton, and this dilution rate is 3%. So I like how it tells you. I'm just going to grab a carrier oil. I don't know which one it is. It is fractionated coconut. This is the one that will come in your big bonus box. Then we're just going to fill this guy to the top. And then you pop your roller onto the top of this. I'm going to set it down so I don't spill it. And then your screw-on cap will go on the top. Give this a good mix, and then you have a Focus roll-on. So this is great for work or school, or anytime you just need to ground yourself and focus on what you're doing. 2 down, 1 to go. We're going to make the Wild Herbs Diffuser Blend. So you also get these in your bonus box. We're going to label it first. So they have cute little labels for the diffuser blends too. So basically you're mixing a lot of drops of the oils you get to make your own blend. So you have your own diffuser blend. So really you're getting 5, I guess, essential oils if you think about it that way. So this comes with the lid together. So once you pop this on, it'll pop in your orifice reducer, and then it'll have a little dropper top on it. Anyways, Wild Herbs Diffuser Blend is going to be 43 drops Focus, 28 drops patchouli, 14 rosemary, and 14 basil. So I'm going to add all of those in right now. So once your drops are in there, you screw this top on until it clicks down all the way and tighten it, then give it a good mix up. And then on the sticker sheet, you'll have a Wild Herbs little dot sticker that you can add to the top, so that if you're storing in a jar or a drawer, you can see the oils. All of the other ones are on there too. So we have the Focus roll-on that we can put on the top of our roller, and basil, rosemary, Focus, and patchouli are on there as well. So that is it for this video. I wanted to share some of the recipes and how easy they are to make too, and really fun if you like doing DIY projects or DIY essential oil products. Let me know if you have any questions on anything that I talked about, shared, or made today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, the link to shop Simply Earth will be down below in the description. I hope you have a great day. Bye.